Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the extra step during checkout in Odoo 18 website module. So Odoo's website module allows you to customize the checkout process by adding an extra step to collect specific information from the customers. And this is suitable for various scenarios such as gathering additional information. For example, product customizations, options or specific delivery informations, or it can be collecting the customer feedback like asking for reviews or suggestions. Or you can also have the implementing custom validations rule like ensuring specific conditions are met before proceeding to the payment and all. So let's see how can we manage the extra step during checkout in Odoo. So you can just dive into the website module. From the configuration settings, we just need to enable this feature. So let's move on to the configuration settings, and here you can see under the shop checkout process, we can find the extra step during checkout. So we can customize the form during the checkout, that is after the address. So as we just move on to the configure form, here you can see that currently we have added the extra info. So we can just add the reference, can then give the feedbacks, and we can also upload a document. And if we want to add any other content over here, we can also add that content. So for the time being, I would like to add a content over here, like the social and all. So let's add that. Okay. So once everything is set, the next step is that we can also customize the other details over here. So as we just move on to here, you can see that during the checkout or in the checkout page, we can just add the extra step. Then we can suggest the accessories. Also, we can add the promo code. If we want to let the or accept the terms and conditions, we can also enable this page. Okay, and currently you can see that once we enable that, here the content is just modified, and you will get a notification over here. Your modifications were saved to the safety applied these options. Now, if you want to show the B2B fields, we can also enable that. And here you can see we can also add to the wish list. So once the changes are made, we just need to ensure we have saved the changes over here. Now we can also continue to the checkout process. Now let's move on to the sites, and under the sites, we can just move on to the home page, and let me choose the shop in order to purchase one of the item from here. I would like to purchase the item which is chair floor protection, and I'm going to purchase that. And here you can see that we are just going to add the item to the cart. And once everything is added, you can just view the cart over here. And during the checkout of the process, we can see the extra info over here. So currently we are here to review the order, and let's go with the pay with demo. So as we just move on to the pay with demo or checkout process, here you can see the next step will be the delivery of the item. Okay, so let me add the phone number over here. Afterwards, we can save the address, and afterwards we just need to confirm. Okay, and let me confirm this. So as we just move on to the delivery, I mean afterwards the delivery of the confirmation of the delivery address, the next step is to add the extra information. So if here we can just add the reference, it can be a code or anything else. So here you can just provide the feedback. So we had a great experience in shopping. So here we can just provide that great shopping experience. And if you want to upload any file, you can upload that. And if you want to change that file also, you can change that. And now let's continue with the checkout. So when we are just going with the checkout process, here you can see the next step will be the payment. And here you can just accept like I agree to the terms and conditions. As we have enabled that field in the extra info, we can just agree with that. And let's click on pay now. And here you can see that the payment is currently done. Now, if you want to view this, you can also view everything from the customer portal. So for that, you can just move on to the account of the customer, and under your orders, you would be able to find the order that is recently made. And here you can see all other informations. Okay. So it shows all the information such as the terms and conditions, the payment terms, and everything. So that's how we just deal with the extra payment. So far, we haven't added any PDF files in it. We cannot find that. So if you just add any PDF files and all, you can also find that also from here. So this always keeps the simple. Keeps the form simple and easy to understand, and that's how we just manage with the Odoo checkout process with an extra step. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.